Hello and welcome. I'm going to be sharing with you a Chi Qong practice called 6 Healing Sounds, referencing different organs with different colors and different emotions. Here we go. So first we start off by standing in a nice wide stance, breathing into the belly button, beginning now. And now focusing on the lungs, the element metal, the emotion sadness and depression out. The sound is S. Positive emotion, strength, courage, integrity, and out with sadness and depression. Breathing in a white mist, a white vapor into the lungs, strength, courage, integrity, and out with sadness, depression. Breathing in again a white mist, strength, courage, integrity. Breathing out sadness and depression. And now moving forward to the kidneys. The element, water, negative fear, negative emotion, fear, out. The color blue, blue mist, blue vapors. The sound is choo. So in with calmness, clarity, wisdom, and peace, and out with fear. Breathing in blue light, blue vapors into the kidneys, calmness, clarity, wisdom, and out fear. Letting it all out. Breathing into the kidneys, blue vapors. The sound choo. Breathing in calmness, clarity, and wisdom, and breathing out all stagnant fear. With every breath you take into the kidneys, blue vapors. Calmness, clarity, wisdom, peace. Now moving forward to the liver, the element wood. Breathing in green vapors, green colors into the liver on your right side. The sound is shh. Breathing out and pointing your fingers to your left side. Breathing out anger, frustration, and jealousy. Breathing in kindness, generosity, expansiveness. Shh. Breathing out green vapors, green colors, out with anger, frustration, and jealousy. In with kindness, generosity, expansiveness, and out with all anger, frustration, and jealousy. Into the liver, green vapors, and out with anger, frustration, and jealousy. Smiling into that liver, kindness, generosity, and expansiveness. And now, breathing into the heart, the element fire, the negative emotion of impatience, hatred, and cruelty, the color red, the sound breathing in love, joy, and radiance, in with red vapors, red colors, into the heart, impatience, hatred, and cruelty, out. Letting it all out. Breathing in love, joy, radiance, and out with all impatience, hatred, and cruelty. Breathing in red colors, red vapors, into the heart. Feeling love, joy, and radiance. Once more, breathing into the heart, letting go of all impatience, hatred, cruelty. Breathing in love, joy, and radiance. Next, we breathe into the stomach and spleen, the element earth. We breathe in yellow color, yellow vapors. Breathing in, the sound is ho. Breathing out all worry, anxiety, obsession, and addiction. And breathing in openness, trust, feeling centered. As you breathe out, ho, just give it a last heave and ho, breathe it all out. All out. All worry, anxiety, obsession, and addiction. As you breathe in, openness, trust, and feeling centered. Yellow vapors into the stomach, into the spleen. Worry, anxiety, and obsession flow out of your body. Into the stomach, into the spleen. Yellow light, openness, trust, centered. Smile into your stomach and spleen. And those are the 6 healing sounds with the 6 organs and the 6 colors. Now to balance everything else out, we're going to do the triple heater. Breathing up into the sky, grabbing cosmic energy. The sound is he. The color is clear, light, all the colors. Cosmic energy flowing down a channel through the top of the head, down the spine, through the legs, into the earth. He. Clear light, cooling, refreshing, balancing. The triple heater, balancing all organs, all emotions. Breathing in, clear light, clear channel, down through the whole of the body. He, letting go, balancing. Centering. Thank you so much. Try these 6 healing sounds for Qigong and practice every day and see what benefits you can get out of this alchemical practice. Thank you.